Hello, bastards! Chili paneer, easy peasy recipe for you to follow. Get the block of paneer and dice it like this into cubes. If you got nothing better to do, get fucking tape measure. Make sure they're all same size. They don't have to be real size. You can make it rustic. It's not a problem. We're not selling the bastard. You're just going to fucking eat it. Don't get too emotional. Anyway, chop these onions into quarters. Do the same and then separate the layers. And then get the green pepper and try to cut the green pepper into the similar size as the onion. Very simple. Look, I'm doing it. It's very easy to follow. And then I will put the recipe on the Instagram, possibly on the Facebook, for everyone to follow. Even the laziest bastard out there can make this dish. It's so fucking lovely, I guarantee it. Put a bit of turmeric on there, put a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of salt, a bit of cornstarch, tablespoon cornstarch. Mix the bastard, let it rest 10-15 minutes. Then we're going to fry this till golden brown, crispy. You know what I'm talking about. Crispy. If it's not crispy, it's not good enough, man. Don't cheat yourself, bastard. Don't do it to yourself. Anyway, put this to side, drain it. And then we're going to get a wok, put a tablespoon and half of oil inside the wok. It nice and warm. Then we're going to add the onions and the peppers and the chilies that you just chopped. Stir fry them. Then we're going to put a teaspoon of ginger garlic in there. Fry that off a little bit, couple of minutes. I'm not showing you everything here. You can work it out. You clever people now, come on, you know what you're doing. It's fucking simple to follow. Anyway, by the way, I was talking to my Yorkshire cat the other day. I said, I'm going to teach you Punjabi. And the cat says, me? Ow! Very strange cat. Anyway, let's get back to this dish. Stir fry, added the paneer. I'm going to add the magic chili sauce. You can have chili sauce. I'm using the Maggie's masala sauce here. A tablespoon and a half in there. I already added a little bit soy sauce splash. And I'm going to add a little bit of water. Then I got a tablespoon of cornstarch with a little bit of water. Mixed it. This thickens the sauce a little bit. Then you're going to add a little bit of water for your consistency. Give it a stir fry, a couple of minutes. Switch the bastard off and plate it up. And you can enjoy this with a knife, with a fork, with a spoon, chopsticks. I fucking have it on bruschetta toast. You can have it with fucking anything you like. Just enjoy. Very tasty. This was better than the live one I did. I did this on the live. Much tastier. Anyway, anybody going on to the website, Yorkshire Indian, I got a 10% offer on. The code is BASTARD10.